I know death. He's got many faces. I look forward to seeing this one.
What do you want me to say?
Nothing.
Do you want me to start saying something?
I'm saying good things
Yeah,
about
I
you.
don't know, it feels
I felt
pretty on the
instant
edge.
connection.
He was slower than I expected.
But I think it's safe to say that you
Absolutely.
have
Just
grown
stop it.
as a human being.
Really?
Beyond
it is
just
so
as-
sad
just as
when
an
he
actress.
shows this side of himself.
A childhood must have been awful for you. Were you a foot taller than all the boys?
The mad, delusional egomaniac that also with a strange Svengali complex. You have done nothing other than agitate me.
You move well. A great beast of a woman.
Typically male, your attitude towards me. You believe that you made me. Believe that you made me.
I don't believe I made you.
Really?
I've just helped.
Right, okay.
You've done the bulk of the work yourself.
Okay. I didn't think we'd get along because the
I knew
first
from the
time
moment I saw
I
her.
met Nikolai, he was off with me.
You're much happier in daylight.
I saw him in a makeup truck. Someone said I was very nervous because I thought Nikolai was a great actor. And they said, "Do you want to meet Nikolai?" And I said, "No, I'm really nervous." And they said, "No, he's fine." I went in and he's sitting in the chair and looked at me and just looked me up and down and said, "Yes." And that's how we met. And then after that, and I got annoyed actually because really no
she
one
never
had
gets
treated me
annoyed.
like that before. And then the next time was at the read-through when you marched up to me and said, "We need to go and rehearse now." And I said, "Well, I'm actually having something." And you said, "Well, I hope you're not going to be difficult about all this."
Wow.
That's what you said.
It's
And
really
then
not
Nina
my-
Gold said, "Oh, this is great. This is exactly what we wanted. We didn't know it would turn out like this."
It's a long way to King's Landing. Might as well get to know one another.
That's not
Never
how
once
that's
did
not,
I.
That's,
Really, what do you
no,
remember?
I actually remembered that we instantly hit it off.
Valyrian steel.
It's yours.
Where?
It was just like, do you want to go have a drink? Yes, let's go have a drink. We would talk about personal stuff, Gwen's love life. And I realized that
Stop it! Just stop it!
I'm proud of you.